This is Cyndy G. In this video, we are going to assemble the Carousel box card. So I have pre-assembled a few things. I've done one of the inserts of the horses. We'll do one together. I have layered my pieces here. If I hold it that way a little bit, you can see, because that glitter really reflects the light. So I have attached those, and I did this one here on this back part, which is the side. This is the side. And I'm going to go ahead and put on this liner. This is for your sentiment on the back. Just going to kind of center that in there. And then let's go ahead and put the base of our card together. Whoops. I'm just making sure that I'm level. And there we go. So then you're going to open it up to the inside of your card. And let's put these pieces together. I should have done something different than glitter for a video. This was the authentic paper. I loved this line. Paper was Carousel, I think. And I hated seeing them go out of business. So this is a redesign of one of my older cards. In fact, the whole series I have here. I've learned a lot about what cuts well and what doesn't, and card sizes for card makers. This was, I don't even remember what odd size before. Now it's 5x7. I do prefer to design my cards in 5x7 because it just allows me to go a little bit bigger for cutting purposes. Sometimes I can still get some detail in a A2 card size, but it's hard not to make it too tiny in that size. Okay, so that goes together just like that, and then set that aside. And now pull in the horse. I'll go ahead and put the post on. You want to line this horse up to the top. It's the easiest way to get it lined up. The bridle and the harness are all one piece now, so you don't have to mess with any of those small, unmanageable pieces. And gonna put his saddle piece on before his hair because it does kind of go under it a little. Maybe not. Okay. So you can see it's pretty quick to put the horse together. There we are. And then we're going to pull our card in. We're going to fold it on the score lines. Put glue on the tab. We're going to lay this one down right against the back and just fold it closed right on it. You just want to make sure that the bottom is lined up. Fold that on the score lines. Add some glue to the tab. Lay this down right in front of the layer above it. Again, make sure everything's lined up. As you get more bulk, becomes more important to make sure things are actually lining up straight across the bottom. So now what we're going to do is take our two tabs. Now here's where you have to be careful. You need enough glue to make it stick, but not too much that it oozes over. So we're going to leave this other side flat, and this side right here, this is what we're bringing over to glue to. And again, because of the bulk of your pieces, you just want to make sure you have a straight line across the bottom. I'm going to fold my tab down here. And close it up. Then fold it the other way. You want to train your card both ways. And then there it is. There is your Carousel box card. Thank you for joining me.